Yeah. Look. I'm here for a good time, not a long time,
What up, YouTube? Your boy A-Train checking back in with y'all. So today I want to talk about how to get stronger in the gym. Especially being a natural, you have to get stronger. I think volume is important, of course, working in that hypertrophy range from 8 to 12 reps, but you have to get stronger. I think the best way to get stronger is, well, what has worked for me is to work within that low rep range of 3 to 5 reps. I think when you implement this on top of volume, I feel like it's the perfect combination of build size because you get your strength sets, because of course when you lower the reps to 3 to 5, you can go way heavier than you can when you do a set of 12 to 15 reps. So what I do personally is I do my volume set. Sometimes I'll do 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps, and then I'll do 3 sets of triples just to get that strength, just to kind of focus on building my strength and along with that volume work, because like I said, as a natural, you have to get stronger. And I think working in a low rep range can definitely help make some strength gains, which in turn you'll make more gains with your physique. So I do think it's crucial to not only do volume, but to work in that low rep range of 3 to 5 reps to maximize your gains. So give that a try and let me know how it works for y'all. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all do. Do y'all think working in that low rep range, do you think you can still make gains for that? Or do you just believe in high volume? I'm interested to see what y'all think, so please comment down below and let me know if you think working in a low rep range is effective to make gains. So that's it for this part of the video. The next part, I'm gonna do a little workout edit, so y'all stay tuned for that.
Look, it is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live.